I feel blessed to have a concert team na talagang masipag at masaya. Kaya kahit medyo hectic ang schedule, masaya talaga ang bawat biyahe namin. Lalo na pag may chance magkaroon kami ng bonding at me time before the main event.
Pero kaming mataong makapag-anyaya ng ating mga kababayan through Channel 17, I think 17. 18, iguro niya ang kuwan.
Hello guys, we're at the station of KSCI TV, LA 18, para sa Filipino show, talk show na nag-guest appearance ako, hosted by Miss Janelle So. Yun, just to promote the show, dito sa LA, Orphan Theater. Yun. So, ang new show is Kababayan Today. So, yun, promote na ng mga shows.
With many accomplishments, she still remains very, very humble and very gracious. Miss Sara Geronimo. Welcome to Kababayan Today. Thank you, Joel. Thank you for having me here.
I interviewed her on my program. My program is called Kababayan Today, which is the first and only locally produced daily talk show for Filipinos in the Philippines.
Anong mas gusto mong makilala bilang artista, mga mawir, mag-concert, dancers? Siguro mga nawir. Singer kasi talaga, music has always been my first love.
Nagkaroon na kami ng interview before at komportable naman ako kay Miss Janelle. So, yun, nagkwentuhan lang ng konti at yun, nag-promote lang ng show. I had ideas on what I was gonna ask her and like I said, she's always very gracious, she's always very humble. And I'm very, very proud of her because it always comes out in the interview. She's so genuine and I can see why there's lots and lots and lots of blessings coming from her. I've only seen her once in a concert, but that's enough for me to be converted to a fan. She's really amazing. Not only does she hit the high notes, so we all know that she's a great singer, but what is a revelation was that she can also dance and it's just, total performer talaga. She's singing and dancing, and I've seen some of her movies. Very funny, she's very natural on camera. She's very, very talented.
Thank you, Miss Janelle. Jollibee ka pa rin ba? Yes. Yun nga, yung ginawa namin. Ito, bye. Thank you so much.
May dinaanan lang kaming shop doon. So, yun, bumili lang kami ng shoes. Sabi nila, yan, dyan daw nag-shop yung mga Hollywood stars, ganyan.
We are in touch.
Where?
Here in Rodeo Drive.
Dogs eh, kasi very comfortable silang suot. Sila namin yung Tatapos dito Al.
Tapos naman,
Si B, anong binili ni B?
ko ang Rodeo Drive.
Oh,